Remember when niggas used to do this? Photo? It'd be like this.
Yo, look. Take that.
Where?
On me. Take it off of me.
What's on you?
I don't see nothing, bro.
Oh,
Oh, it's a...
Spider? No. Look, they died.
I'm thinking y'all trolling.
Still waking up.
Wanna be one with me, huh?
Why are you laughing like that?
Yo, you good, bro? I'm good, bro. You good.
For me, shit gotta get done, bro. You just gotta boxing niggas sometimes, bro.
Bro, cause I seen it on me. I knew it was on me.
Bro, that shit was dead like some zombie shit, bro.
Yeah.